So this video is for anybody with a Ford F150, anything from a 2009 to a 2014, and you're having issues with the transmission where it is not, maybe it's stuck in one of the gears, like it won't shift out of first gear or won't shift out of fifth gear or something like that. Any kind of transmission issues where it's not shifting gears properly. Very often, one of the things that can happen is that this lead frame sensor will go bad and needs to be replaced, and it's quite an easy replacement. All you need to do is just unhook the connector as you see here and then pull these bolts out. And then this tab that you see here, this little like white tab, you're going to use that once you get that off and you have the valve body off, the transmission valve body off, then you can just use that tab to pop the whole sensor off. Just there's a couple pieces and stuff in there. Just make sure that nothing falls out when you do this, and then you put the new sensor on and put it back on the valve body, and then put everything back together, and that will very often fix this issue with the transmission on these trucks. If you need to get this part, I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description about where the part is.